you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Dear student, today's topic is healthy lifestyle. From today, we will start our annual term lessons. So let's start today's lesson. Healthy lifestyle. This is chapter 5 in your book. And this is our first science class. Class number 1. Our healthy lifestyle. It is very important for us to have a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle helps to keep and improve our health and well-being. Regular exercise. Regular exercise and playing sports strengthens our heart, muscles and bones. It also makes us feel more confident and sleep better. You can see here is a picture, they are playing. So playing is one kind of exercise. Adequate sleep. We need adequate sleep to give our body time to recover and grow. We should have a regular bedtime for having a good sleeping. Okay, next topic is time to relax. We need a time to relax to get away from the stresses of everyday life so that we can start our work again with energy. A hobby like listening favorite songs, reading books or working in the garden can help reduce our stress. Personal hygiene. We have to take care of our body to keep it neat and clean. We should take bath with clean water and soap regularly. We should wash hands before and after meals and brush our teeth after meals. We have to change clothes regularly and take care for the skin, hair, nails, eyes and ears. It is important to balance all these habits rather than putting emphasis on one habit. Next is waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases are the diseases caused by taking water contaminated with germ. That means when germ will mix with water, then it will be contaminated water. Water can be often contaminated by urine and stools of animal or people containing germs such as bacteria. We use water for drinking, preparing foods, bathing, washing or brushing teeth. We get waterborne diseases if we use contaminated water in these purposes. Waterborne diseases are easily transmitted to people. Student, you can see here the picture. This girl using this toilet, and if this toilet, that means two water will mix with water, and if anyone drink it, touching it and using to prepare food, then he or she will be sick. Okay, 2 number. Types and symptoms of waterborne diseases. Contaminated water can cause many types of diseases including diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, jaundice and typhoid. The symptoms of most waterborne diseases are loose motion, vomiting, fever and stomach cramps. If we suffer from diarrhea, we should take oral saline. Oral saline is available in markets. Besides, oral saline can be prepared at home by using a pinch of salt and a handful of molasses or sugar with half liter safe water. You can see here she is making oral saline by using one pinch of salt, and you can use one handful molasses or one handful sugar and mix it with half liter water. Preventing of waterborne diseases. The best way to prevent waterborne diseases is to stop the transmission of germs. Some measures to prevent waterborne diseases are given below. Use of safe water. We have to use clean and safe water for drinking, preparing foods and bathing. We can prepare safe water by filtering, boiling and using water purifying tablets. Next, washing hands. We should wash hands with soap and safe water before eating, preparing food and after using toilets or playing. Keeping toilet clean. We have to use hygienic toilet and to keep toilet clean after using it in order to prevent waterborne diseases. Students, in your book there is some filling the blanks. Let's do it. Filling the blanks. Number 1 filling the blanks will be there. Waterborne diseases spread through dash water. The answer will be waterborne diseases spread through contaminated water. 2 number, cholera, dysentery and typhoid are dash disease. Cholera, dysentery and typhoid are waterborne disease. 3 number will be a dash lifestyle helps to keep and improve our health and well-being. Answer will be a healthy lifestyle helps to keep and improve our health and well-being. 4 number will be we can prepare safe water by boiling, filtering and using dash. We can prepare safe water by boiling, filtering and using water purifying tablets. Number 5, I have give here extra fill in the blanks for you. The best way to prevent waterborne disease is to stop the transmission of germs. The answer will be germs. So dear student, your SW will be fill in the blanks. These fill in the blanks. 5 fill in the blanks. Okay. You have to do this SW in your SW copy. And you have to submit this SW on every Sunday in our school library section. And this SW is very important for you because you will get some mark based on this SW, and this mark will be added with your final term exam number. Okay, so this is very important for you. So I hope, dear student, you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and stay safe, stay home.